Luxury cars are amazing until the repair bills start piling up. But the truth is, not every luxury car is a ticking time bomb. Some models still offer comfort, class, and reliability without breaking your wallet. In today's video, we'll look at 5 luxury cars you can confidently buy in 2025, elegant, powerful, and proven to last. All of them backed by real data from Consumer Reports, RepairPal, and iSeeCars, and by thousands of owners who say these cars deliver peace of mind where others fail. So if you want the feeling of driving something truly special without the stress of expensive surprises, this list is for you. Let's take a look at the 5 reliable luxury cars you can buy in 2025 without fear. Let's start our list with a true statement piece, the Lincoln Continental, 2017-2020. This car marked the return of genuine American luxury. Elegant, confident, and built for those who value comfort over flash. It was Lincoln's flagship sedan, designed to bring back that classic town car feeling, but with the refinement and technology of a modern era. Under the hood, you had solid options: a 3.7-liter V6 with 305 horsepower, a 2.7-liter twin-turbo with 335, and the top-tier 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing 400 horsepower, paired with available all-wheel drive. It's not meant to carve corners like a sports car, and that's exactly the point. This car was made for smooth, quiet cruising, and it delivers that effortlessly. Inside, the Continental is where Lincoln really flexed its luxury muscle. The cabin feels rich and peaceful, with soft-touch leather everywhere, real wood and aluminum trim, and one of the quietest interiors you'll find in any luxury sedan. Those perfect position seats are the highlight: 30 different adjustments, optional massage, heating and ventilation, plus memory settings for both driver and passenger. Add the Revel 19-speaker premium sound system, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and a full suite of safety tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Everything about it feels built to make you relax, not rush. According to Consumer Reports and Edmunds, owners praise the Continental for its serene ride, whisper-quiet cabin, and long-distance comfort. RepairPal puts its average annual maintenance cost around $500, $700, which is quite low for a full-size luxury car. Of course, it's not perfect. Some owners have mentioned minor issues with the air suspension system or small electrical quirks, and the handling can feel a bit floaty on twisty roads. But none of that overshadows what this car truly represents. All right, let's move on to the next one, the Cadillac CT4, one of the most underrated compact luxury sedans out there. The CT4 came in around 2020 and up, replacing the old ATS and giving Cadillac a sharper, more refined small sedan that could finally stand next to the Germans without copying them. Under the hood, you had a few options. A 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 237 horsepower, a 2.7-liter turbo making up to 325 horsepower, and the performance-oriented CT4V that pushed it even further. It's built on a rear-wheel drive platform, which already sets it apart from most entry-level luxury cars, giving it a more balanced, confident feel on the road. Inside, Cadillac did a really good job combining modern design with a comfortable, driver-focused layout. You get leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, dual-zone climate control, and a Bose premium sound system that's genuinely impressive for this class. The infotainment system is quick and easy to use, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Standard, and higher trims added heated and ventilated seats, a head-up display, and advanced safety tech like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alert. The driving position feels natural, visibility is good, and for its size, the CT4 manages to feel both sporty and comfortable at the same time. According to Consumer Reports and Edmunds, owners appreciate the CT4's solid build quality, quiet cabin, and responsive handling, calling it surprisingly refined for a small Cadillac. RepairPal data shows maintenance costs around $480 to $650 per year, depending on trim and usage, pretty reasonable for a luxury compact. Still, a few owners mention that the rear seat space is tight and that the ride can feel firm on rough roads, especially with larger wheels. Others noted that while the infotainment works well, the interior materials in some base trims could be better for its price. Overall, the CT4 strikes a strong balance between performance and comfort, a confident American alternative to the usual German sedans, with just enough personality to stand out without trying too hard. Let's keep it going. Next up is the Acura MDX, one of the most consistent and well-respected luxury SUVs on the market. The MDX has always been that sweet spot between practicality, comfort, and long-term dependability, and models from around 2016 to 2020 really show what Acura does best. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 with 290 horsepower, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and available super-handling all-wheel drive, SHAWD, a system praised by owners for making this SUV incredibly stable in all weather conditions. The ride feels balanced, the steering is light but confident, and even though it's a 3-row SUV, it never feels bulky or hard to handle. Inside, the MDX gives you a clean, well-built cabin with leather seats, tri-zone climate control, power-adjustable heated front seats, and plenty of storage space. Upper trims add ventilated seats, a surround view camera, navigation, and an ELS Studio Premium sound system that really stands out. The infotainment setup uses a dual-screen layout. Not everyone loves it, but once you get used to it, it's easy enough to navigate. Safety has always been one of Acura's priorities, so even base models come with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. It's a family SUV that doesn't forget to feel premium. According to Consumer Reports, the 2016-2020 MDX scored above average in reliability year after year, with owners praising its engine durability and low cost of ownership. RepairPal lists an average maintenance cost of about $570 per year, which is great for a mid-size luxury SUV. Some drivers have mentioned that the transmission can feel a bit hesitant at low speeds, and others note that the infotainment system looks dated compared to newer rivals. Still, most agree the MDX offers a near-perfect balance between comfort, reliability, and everyday usability, a luxury SUV that's elegant without being fragile and smart without being complicated. All right, next on the list is the Buick Enclave, a full-size luxury SUV that often flies under the radar, but has quietly earned a strong reputation for comfort and dependability. Models from around 2015 to 2020 represent some of Buick's best work in combining traditional American comfort with modern technology. Under the hood, every Enclave comes with a 3.6-liter V6 producing about 288 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. It's not built for sporty driving, but it delivers a calm, confident ride, the kind of SUV that glides over rough roads and keeps everyone inside comfortable on long trips. Inside, the Enclave's cabin is one of its biggest strengths. You get seating for 7, with second-row captain's chairs and a third row spacious enough for adults, something rare in its class. Materials feel premium, with soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and tri-zone climate control. Higher trims come loaded with features like a power liftgate, Bose premium audio, navigation, panoramic sunroof, and safety tech including rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and lane departure alert. The quiet cabin is one of the things owners love most. It's easy to have a conversation even at highway speeds, which really fits Buick's quiet luxury image. According to Consumer Reports and RepairPal, the Enclave performs well in long-term reliability, especially in 2017-2019 models. RepairPal lists its average annual maintenance cost at about $720, a fair figure for a large luxury SUV. Owners on Edmunds often praise the smooth V6, comfortable suspension and generous cargo space, though some mention that fuel economy isn't great, and the infotainment system, while simple, can feel a bit outdated. A few also note that suspension components may wear earlier if the car is driven frequently on rough roads. Still, for drivers who want a refined, spacious, and easygoing SUV without the high costs or complexity of European brands, the Buick Enclave continues to be one of the most underrated luxury options out there. If you're enjoying this list so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and reach more smart car lovers like you. And tell me down in the comments, would you drive any of these cars, or maybe you already own one? I'd love to hear your story. Now let's move on to the last one, a luxury SUV that stands out for its comfort, technology, and reliability. Let's wrap up the list with one of the most balanced luxury SUVs out there, the Infiniti QX60. This is a model that doesn't always get the spotlight, but owners know just how capable and comfortable it really is. If you're looking at something between 2016 and 2021, you're getting one of Infiniti's most successful designs, a three-row SUV that feels premium without being flashy. Power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 295 horsepower, paired with a CVT transmission and available all-wheel drive. It's tuned for smooth acceleration and quiet cruising rather than aggressive performance, which fits its family luxury personality perfectly. Inside, the QX60 feels upscale and thoughtfully laid out. You get leather upholstery, heated front seats, tri-zone automatic climate control, and plenty of space for 7 passengers. Upper trims add ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, a 13-speaker Bose audio system, navigation, and a full suite of safety and driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and emergency braking. The second-row seats slide and tilt for easier third-row access, something owners love, especially families.